Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix outdated client issue on Minecraft, and it really doesn't matter if you're using PS5, PS4, Xbox or PC. With PC the process will be a little bit different, but on PS5 or Xbox it will be the same. So if you're using PS5 or PS4 or mobile version, what you need to do here, you need to make sure that your Minecraft is fully updated. So just make sure that you're running with a updated client, right? And if you are on PC, it's a little bit different, so I will show you how you can fix that. Simply open up Minecraft Launcher, then on the top right corner you should see your username here. Then just log out from here and then go to the search, then go to installed apps, and then you need to look for Minecraft Launcher, and then press on the burger menu, advanced options, and then you need to make sure that you press repair button, and then after that reset. So maybe your Minecraft launcher has a corrupted files that need to be fixed. So after you do so, then re-log into your Minecraft launcher, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then you need to make sure that you're running a latest version of the Minecraft. So you need to go to installations here, and here you should see the latest release, and if it's not, then select new installation here, then select a latest release here as well, and then create a installation and then run the game. And still, if the problem persists, then you need to open up browser, then you need to go to Minecraft server status, and then probably it will be the first link here, then put the link of your server that you try to go and you're failing to do that. So let's say it will be the Hypixel here, and then under the versions here you need to make sure that your version basically matches to the server version as well. So as you can see here, it requires 1.8 to 1.2 versions. So if you have the older one, you cannot play the game. So go to Minecraft launcher here, and as well make sure that you're not running on the older version, and the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.